Rolling, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. There are very good bells and whistles microphones out there right now. Really great utility knife mics out there. Lewitt has LCT-940, which is one of my favorite all-in-one mics. You have the tube and FET options. You have different polar patterns. It's really good. Lauten Audio Atlantis is my holy grail microphone. 3 different voicings, different polar patterns, different gain settings. It sounds really good. And then there are microphones that do one thing better than anyone else. They record stuff. Yeah. They practiced one kick 10,000 times. That's Bruce Lee's words, not mine. What, you gonna argue with Bruce Lee? Huh? Bruce Lee? Really? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, ZndBorn, Berkeley graduated, sound gym validated, and today we are looking at Roswell Pro's Mini K87. You've probably seen this mic everywhere. It has mastered the kick. So let's unbox it and take a look. This is the Roswell Pro Audio Mini K87. It is a large diaphragm microphone with a 34mm capsule. The transformerless circuit designed for transparency, low noise, and low distortion. The very solid steel body, it comes with a cutaway elastic shock mount, heavy-duty flight case, and dust cover. With a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and a self-noise of less than 12 dBA, with vintage output transistors and film capacitors complementing the signal. So I've owned a lot of different mics and I've reviewed a bunch on this channel. And what I love about Roswell Pro Audio is that I love the attention and the detail and the care that they put into their microphones. The sound that you're hearing right now is coming from their Colaris microphone, which is their flagship vocal mic. But I love the integrity. You can hear and you can feel that care imprinted into the mic and its character. I dug a little bit deeper into Roswell, and its founder, Matthew McGlynn, has some really great videos about microphones and about Roswell's philosophy and about his philosophy on microphones. Not only are they great videos for learning, but it kind of gives you a lot of good insight and all the expertise and a lot of its value that get injected into their microphones. That offers up a transparency, gives you perspective on microphones in general if you're new to recording, and it confirms all of the excellent reviews that you're going to find about their microphones. I mean, I'll leave a link in the description. So you'll have a supreme confidence that you're not buying just another microphone. When you put this microphone up against your most expensive microphones that are out there, it holds its own and probably beats other microphones when you conduct your own tests. So I did want to offer a special note because I'm new to Roswell microphones, but every test that I've done, every comparison that I've done definitely exceeded my expectations of it, and I'm very confident to put them up against most mics that I've tried or heard. Not all brands are created equal. And so I did want to offer a special note and a special endorsement because of that reason. Yeah! Anyway, so let's talk about the Mini K87. I have it here. Obviously, the very first thing you'll realize about this microphone is that it is tiny. Tiny, small, and solid. There are no bells, no whistles, no frills. A solid quality, steel enclosed, large diaphragm condenser microphone. That's a K67, K87 capsule that's inside, which means you're gonna get that 87 vibe, you're gonna get that 87 feel. It's a very neutral microphone. I don't play guitar, but I hear that it's amazing on acoustic guitars, really great for vocals. Small and neat little package.
Then everything is wrapped up in a neat little package. Really, I mean that.
All of Roswell's microphones are hand tested for 24 hours on their proprietary rig in-house. Roswell does all the assembly, all the soldering, all the build in the US. And so only what they're going for is a nice neutral sound. This is really about as close to flat as you can get for a microphone so that it's really versatile for just about any source that you throw at it. There's nothing colored about the microphone, so it's obviously a great starting point for any source. They also offer a few different style options. So there's a standard option, and there's also a higher output option. If you're recording quieter acoustic sources, voiceover, singers, the high output option is a great option for you. They also offer a few different colors I went with the dark blue. They also have a light blue, a green, and a purple. And because tonally it's a neutral sound, and because it does one kick 10,000 times, it does it well. So what I thought might be interesting is if I compare this to my holy grail microphone, the Atlantis. So I'll just give you a little David and Goliath here and see how it holds up.
Tell me what you're drinking, 'cause this is unacceptable. Are you crazy? You've been saying real weird like da 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 da. You're not making sense no more. Saying things like da 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 da. This is unacceptable. Da 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 da. You're not making sense no more. Saying things like da 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 da. This is unacceptable.
I have the Mini K87 plugged into the desk. The audio that you're hearing is passing through an Arturia Mini Fuse 4. No additional processing. So this is what it would sound like in a voiceover capacity, just my voice. For me, it's a very full, natural sound. For me, this sound is an excellent starting point for any project. This is what it sounds like 6 inches away from the microphone, getting a little closer so you can kind of get that proximity effect. Hello, hello, hello. Talking, 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 back, 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 back. So it's a cardioid pickup pattern. I have my hard drives that's behind the mic, and it does really well with the sound rejection. If I'm going around the microphone, hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. So you can hear it's very clean, very low noise, very low distortion. Hopefully this puts Roswell on your radar because they're good. Good. So that is the Roswell Mini K87. It has a wonderfully full sound, wonderfully neutral, clean, uncolored. It is a very nice contrast to the Polaris. Holds up really well against my Holy Grail microphone. Really nice and rich. Good for voiceover. It takes very well to EQ and post-processing. It is small, it's compact, it's easy to maneuver with. It's easy to travel with. It can handle just about any source exceptionally well. I really wish I got the match pair. A great addition to your mic locker. And with all of those high quality components and that excellent build, totally rivals microphones that you'll pay $2,000 for that you're considering. That's in your shopping cart right now. Take it out, audition the Mini K87, and reevaluate your decisions. And you get a much better brand with good people that are behind it. I want to thank Roswell for sending me the K87 to show you guys. Take a look at all of their mini collection. I know that you guys are going to love them. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check it out. I want to thank Roswell Pro Audio again for sending me the microphone so that I can show you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found it useful. And I hope this helps you find that extra degree. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.